Hi crafters. So we have a quick one to do early this morning. I think it's 4 a.m. I've been awake since past 3 trying to see the accessories that I have available to make this for a client. She's going for her daughter's, or rather her daughter is getting married, and I had an early call to make a quick fascinator for her because it is this morning she's traveling. So I just gathered all these things that I have because color is also a thing. So I had to check my what do you call it? My collections to see all the things that I have in champagne gold, so that I can create something speedily. And I have to really finish this on time because I have to get to the kitchen to prepare something for my son to go to school with. Of course, he has to eat breakfast and then go to school, so it's a long one. So I have to do this quickly so that latest by 5. 5 is even late. Would I cook by 5? So I'm doing this very early in the morning to wrap this up quickly. If you're new to the Vent channel, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of my lovely, unique trainings and designs. Oh, come on. Please do just click pause on this video and take the few seconds and click the subscribe button. Thank you. Wondering where to get any of the tools or materials I used in this video? I've got you covered there, crafters. I have added my affiliate links below, both Amazon and Aliexpress, and also a special link to my DIY craft kit suppliers. So you can check for it in the description of this video. Oh, and before we move on, while you're still watching the video, I want to quickly share something special with you. I created a membership right here on this channel designed to help crafters like you grow faster and feel more supported. Whether you're just starting out or looking for mentorship, there's something for everyone. At the basic level, you get loyalty badges, fun emojis, early access to my videos, and I prioritize your comments. As you go higher, you get even more exclusive members only videos and business mentorship via Telegram. Just click the join button below. If you can't see the join button, don't worry. I would place the link to where you can get to see all the membership levels and decide on which one you want. And you can take your pick. And I'd love to have you inside. Let's get back to the video. Keep watching and learning. Oh yes, crafters. I have several trainings already running inside our Event Craft Academy Telegram group, and we're now gradually moving them over to my seller page to make access even easier for you. So whether you prefer learning in a live community or through structured downloadable classes, I've got you covered. In the academic group, we have joint trainings, mini workshops, new video updates, connection days, and all round motivation. And on Seller, you get the courses on demand, anytime, anywhere. Just check the description below for links to both the Telegram group and the Seller course page and join whichever suits you best. Or even better, both. All right, crafters, we're back. So let's see what we're going to do speedily. It's already past 5. I need to start getting something ready for my son. Tried waking my daughter to start it off, but she was the one that got dinner ready when we came back last night very late. So I guess she is tired. So let me see how I can. Oh, sorry about that. Speed this up and get done. This one, don't we have to get the exact spot? I don't know whether the lighting is up here. Okay. Yeah. So I just pleated it and just sewed it. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do to this other. We need some spiky effect since the spike that I wanted to get. So, hey, I don't know whether you can see this thing. Okay, so I want to use it to give it the spiky effect because Since those ones couldn't stand up to produce it, we have to have some spiky effects. Okay, so what I did was I let me bring it closer. Okay, so remember I used the stuff from this flower, I cut it out and I stopped on this. So I just cut out those other edges so it doesn't change the shape, because sometimes those edges are flexible and it makes them change shape. So this is how it is. I think it's cool.